So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, come to this website which is gigabyte.com officially website. Here to search, type your model number Z790 and Monster X and then hit enter. Then click to product. This one first. Then click to support. So this is a different version. So no worry, this is all the version is same driver. Select any. If you know about your motherboard versions, you can select right. Okay. Select operating system Windows 10, 11. If you are any operating system Windows 10, so installations process same. Bluetooth driver. So this is Bluetooth and click to download.